Alright guys, now we're going to install the serpentine belt. Now this truck is pretty high, so I'm using a stepping stool so I can get the right height. Now what you have to do is you gotta put your belt like this, because we're gonna have to put it right here inside. The first one we're going to put it on will be the compressor, because that's going to be the hardest one. So just let me see, try to get it from here and pull enough so that you have enough to put it on the compressor. Okay, there, we got it on the compressor. Now this is going to be a little bit tricky. This side goes down here. Okay, we got that side. Then the next one is going to be this one right here. The last one is going to be the alternator, because this is the easiest one. So put it on the lower one. Okay, we got it. So that's pretty much it. Now what we have to do is put the, now again you put it right here. This right here. And remember guys, you gotta push it towards the driver's side. All right guys, there. We got it there pretty tight. It's good. Always double check to make sure the whole belt is in place. If it's not in place, then once you turn on the car it can break, and that's not good. So that's pretty much it guys. Now you can put this one back. Once you put this back, you're good to go. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it did, please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and as always, peace.